More than 70% of gun buyers are moving away from specialized builds, pivoting instead to a master-of-all-trades rifle concept that weighs less than 7 pounds. Shooters are now shifting hard to this one-gun philosophy. Today, we're breaking down the top 10 options dominating the market right now, ranking them from 10 all the way down to the ultimate apex predator. Number 10. CVA Scout Takedown. Known for being ultra-stowable and incredibly budget-friendly, this model is catching a lot of attention. As a single-shot breakdown, it isn't a traditional Cooper Scout rifle, but it serves perfectly as a minimalist bug-out or truck gun when storage space and weight are your primary concerns. Weighing in at just 6.5 pounds, it is incredibly easy to carry through dense brush or keep tucked away in a vehicle compartment. It features a 20-inch threaded barrel right out of the box, which makes adding a suppressor or muzzle brake a breeze. Because it is a single shot, it forces the shooter to make every single round count. That might sound like a drawback, but it is actually a fantastic training tool for mastering shot placement and conserving ammunition. The straightforward brake action mechanism means there are very few moving parts to fail, making it highly reliable in harsh conditions. For shooters on a strict budget who want a reliable, easy-to-store survival tool, this compact powerhouse is an absolute steal that punches way above its price tag. Number 9. Browning BLR Takedown. A rapid-action lever gun that breaks down for compact travel is exactly what many survivalists are looking for. Featuring a glass-smooth rack and pinion system, it gives you the fast follow-up shots of a lever action while easily handling modern high-pressure cartridges like .308 and 6.5 Creedmoor. Traditional lever guns usually require flat-nosed bullets because they use tubular magazines. This model solves that problem by using a detachable box magazine. That means you can run aerodynamic, pointed bullets for much better long-range accuracy. It weighs a very manageable 6.5 pounds and usually features a 20-inch barrel, keeping the overall package tight and maneuverable. The takedown feature is the real star here. You can separate the barrel from the receiver in seconds, allowing the entire system to fit easily inside a standard backpack or a small storage bin. If you want the classic feel of a lever gun but demand modern ballistics and ultimate portability, this is a top-tier choice that rarely stays in stock for long. Number 8. Ruger American Gen 2. Replacing an earlier legendary generation, this bolt action has become a top-value pick for practical shooters. While not explicitly branded as Scout out of the box, its lightweight handling, threaded barrel, and massive aftermarket support make it a favorite foundation for shooters building a modern, budget-friendly general-purpose rifle. It typically weighs around 6.5 pounds unloaded, making it a breeze to hike with all day. The factory trigger is impressively crisp, and it allows the user to adjust the pull weight from 3 to 5 pounds to match their preference. It also uses a patented integral bedding block system, which free floats the barrel to deliver outstanding accuracy right off the shelf. The 3-lug bolt features a short 70-degree throw, which keeps your hand clear of any optics you decide to mount. With its durable finish and comfortable synthetic stock, it handles rough weather and hard use without complaining. It is the perfect blank canvas for anyone wanting to craft a custom survival tool without emptying their bank account. Number 7. Mossberg MVP Scout. The major selling point here is sheer logistical practicality. This platform reliably feeds from standard AR-10 and M1A style magazines. For shooters who already have a stockpile of standard modern sporting rifle mags, this cross-compatibility makes the MVP an absolute no-brainer for a survival loadout. You get the rugged reliability of a manual action with the high capacity and quick reload capabilities of a modern battle rifle. It hits the scales at just under 6 3/4 pounds and features a compact 16 1/4 inch medium bull barrel. The barrel comes threaded from the factory and includes an A2 style flash hider. You also get an adjustable trigger and an extended Picatinny top rail, giving you plenty of room to mount long eye relief optics or a traditional scope. It even includes a set of fiber optic iron sights and a rock-solid backup. By bridging the gap between traditional hunting platforms and tactical gear, it offers incredible versatility for anyone looking to consolidate their ammunition and magazine supply. Number 6. Marlin 1895 SBL and Dark Series. The tactical lever-action rule breaker is turning a lot of heads. Chambered in the devastating 45-70 government cartridge, this rifle provides massive barrier-penetrating stopping power. It cycles incredibly fast in close quarters, making it a heavy-hitting favorite for both dangerous game defense and urban survival. Weighing slightly over 7 pounds, it is built like a tank with cold hammer-forged stainless steel components. The 19-inch barrel is threaded for accessories, and the receiver features a long Picatinny rail for easy optic mounting. It also comes equipped with a highly visible tritium fiber optic front sight and an adjustable ghost ring rear sight, which is perfect for rapid target acquisition in low-light environments. The tubular magazine holds 6 rounds, giving you a total of 7 massive chunks of lead ready to go. While it strays from the traditional .308 caliber rule, the sheer kinetic energy it delivers at close to medium ranges makes it a highly sought-after tool for anyone who needs to stop a threat immediately, regardless of what is standing in the way. If you're enjoying this breakdown of the best survival tools on the market, hit that subscribe button for guns you can't live without. We bring you the hardest-hitting firearms facts every week, so you never miss out on the best gear. Number 5. Springfield M1A Scout Squad. Bending Cooper's strict bolt-action requirement, this semi-auto combines legendary M14 and M1A reliability with the quick handling of a Scout setup. It features the essential forward optics rail and robust national match iron sights, trading a bit of extra weight at 8.5 pounds for unmatched semi-automatic firepower. While that is heavier than the traditional 7-pound ideal, the trade-off is 10 to 20 rounds of rapid-fire .308 Winchester on tap. The 18-inch carbon steel barrel is incredibly accurate, and the 2-stage military trigger provides a clean, predictable break every time. It is a proven battle-tested design that can handle intense dust, mud, and debris without jamming. For the shooter who feels a manual bolt action might be too slow for multiple targets, this platform offers the perfect middle ground. It delivers the fast handling of a shortened barrel while retaining the raw power and high capacity needed for serious defensive situations. Number 4. Savage 110 Scout. Delivering precision on a budget is exactly what this model is famous for. It brings Savage's legendary AccuTrigger, a robust recoil-reducing compensator, and smooth feeding from a detachable box magazine to the table. It is one of the most consistently accurate platforms you can buy for the money. The user-adjustable trigger allows you to set a perfectly crisp pull, which drastically improves accuracy in stressful situations. It also features a fully customizable stock system, letting you change the length of pull and comb height so the gun fits your body perfectly. The heavy-duty muzzle brake tames the recoil of the .308 cartridge, making it very pleasant to shoot during long training sessions. The extended top rail easily accommodates forward-mounted optics, and the backup iron sights are incredibly rugged. Weighing around 7.5 pounds, it is tough, dependable, and packed with high-end features that usually cost twice as much. It is easy to see why practical buyers are snatching these up the moment they hit the shelves. Number 3. Tikka T3X Light Roughtech. Consistently rated as one of the best overall bolt-action rifles available right now, while mostly classified as a hunting rifle, its tack-driving finish precision, smooth 70-degree bolt throw, and remarkably light weight make it a premier choice for anyone looking to fulfill the do-it-all utility gun role. The action on this gun is famous for feeling like it glides on glass, allowing for lightning-fast follow-up shots without taking your eye off the target. It features a specialized surface texture on the stock, ensuring you maintain a solid grip even when your hands are soaking wet or covered in mud. The fluted barrel helps dissipate heat during rapid fire and shaves off unnecessary weight, making the entire package incredibly easy to carry for miles on end. The modular synthetic stock also allows you to change the pistol grip angle, adapting perfectly to different shooting positions. When you combine absolute reliability with sub-minute of angle accuracy right out of the box, you get a premium survival tool that will never let you down in the field. Number 2. Ruger Gunsite Scout. Developed in direct collaboration with Gunsite Academy, this is the classic rugged workhorse of the modern era. It comes out of the box ready with excellent iron sights, a threaded barrel for suppression, and a rock-solid Mauser-style extractor. If you want a bomb-proof rifle that will survive the apocalypse, this is it. It hits the scale at just over 7 pounds and features a very handy 16.5-inch barrel, making it incredibly nimble in thick brush or tight indoor spaces. The controlled round feed mechanism ensures that a cartridge is held firmly by the extractor the moment it leaves the magazine, practically eliminating the chance of a double feed or a jam under stress. The forward-mounted Picatinny rail allows for intermediate eye relief scopes, which lets you shoot with both eyes open for maximum situational awareness. With its 10-round detachable box magazine and rugged laminate stock, it is purpose-built to be the one tool you grab when you can only carry one. Number 1. Steyr Scout. The apex predator of the category is designed directly alongside Colonel Jeff Cooper himself. It hits the magical sub-7-pound weight limit at exactly 6.6 pounds. It features an ingenious integrated bipod built seamlessly into the forend, stores a spare magazine right inside the buttstock, and boasts incredible out-of-the-box accuracy. Despite its premium price tag, it remains the absolute gold standard and purest realization of the Scout rifle concept. The fluted 22-inch barrel delivers maximum velocity from the .308 cartridge, while the overall length stays compact and balanced. The unique safety bolt system features a special groove that allows mud, ice, and debris to easily escape the action, ensuring the gun runs flawlessly in the worst environments imaginable. The forward rail perfectly accommodates the traditional low-power optic, and the roller tang safety is smooth and intuitive. It is an absolute masterpiece of engineering, offering everything you need for survival, hunting, and defense in one perfectly balanced, lightweight package. Make sure you subscribe to Guns You Can't Live Without to stay updated on the absolute best gear in the industry.